Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this prom inspired look. Also, the quality on this video is not the best until the end. I don't know, I messed up with some settings on my camera and just looks kind of crazy, so I apologize for that. And also, if I'm talking funny, I have braces and I'm wearing my rubber band, so yeah. I already did the brows with a brow pencil. Now I am concealing them, and I'm also bringing the concealer down into the eyes because we're going to be using that as our base. And then after that, I go in, pat it out, and it depends. Sometimes I'm picky, sometimes I do set it with powder, and sometimes I don't. But it's really about preference. But what I'm noticing more is that without the powder, the eyeshadows actually stay on, or they're more pigmented, I should say. But yeah. So I'm going in with this nice brown, not super brown, but light brown eyeshadow, and I'm applying it all over to the lid. And then I also bring it into the eyebrow because, as some of you know, that is how you kind of start the beginning of nose contour. Now I also go in with a darker brown to kind of carve it out, give it more depth. Other than that, I'm just blending away, blend. That is how you get the seamless look. And I notice sometimes with the powder, once I apply it after the concealer, sometimes it can be very patchy, which I don't really like. So I really prefer just applying concealer and just going in with the eyeshadows that you have or that I have. It's really about preference, but that's what I've noticed. After that, I'm going in with some concealer and I'm applying that onto her eyelid. I have her open because with smaller eyes, you kind of want to make sure that you're eyeballing the concealer or not going too high up on the eyelid because it will look kind of crazy. So after that, I go in with the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills pigment. This white pigment is really nice, really shimmery. After the shimmer, I apply some glitter on top of that. And I also go in and do a small liner on the lower lash line. I think that's what it's called. Oh my gosh, how am I a makeup artist? But yes, I'm just gonna fill in that and just kind of line it out. I'm not gonna be doing any big wing. So now we're doing foundation. I applied it all over the face with a brush first, and then after I blend it out using a beauty blender. And now I'm going in with some cream contour. Started with the forehead first, and I'm using a brush and going in with concealer, applying it to all the areas. So on the forehead, under the eyes, and below the cheekbone. And then I apply some blush onto the upper cheeks. I love this process. I love how this looks. It's so satisfying. After that is all done, I go ahead and blend out all the areas that I applied concealer and blush and just make sure that it's fully blended and that it's smooth. So when we go in and we, I guess bake, but just really set it, it's smoothless and seamless. And then I'm also taking a brush and patting out the concealer. This is nice. It helps so that it doesn't really mix in with the concealer, but this gets the right amount of mixing. Sounds like we're in the kitchen right now, but the right amount of mixing and make sure that it's seamless and that it's applied flawlessly. So I've set the whole face and now I'm going in with my bronzer, going over the points where we cream contoured pretty much. And just gonna buff that out and blend it into the skin. Going in with some nose contour. I feel like sometimes people think like, oh, I don't need nose contour, my nose is fine. There's nothing wrong with your nose. For me as a makeup artist, I like to contour or at least bronze the nose because it brings everything together. And sometimes when you apply so much makeup and foundation and concealer, it can make your nose look really flat. So I always love going back and adding some color and warmth. Now I'm going in with blush, my favorite part. I love when me and my models or my clients are giggling, laughing, having a conversation. It makes everything so much better and the process really fun. Oh my god, look at the blush. It looks so good. Now I'm taking this MAC highlighter this highlighter went so well with her skin, because sometimes when I use this with other people it just doesn't give because it has like a yellow tone to it, but it showed up really nice on her. I'm happy about that. Now I'm going in with my setting spray, setting everything together with my mini Chile Cosmetics fan, lining the lips using an Anastasia lip liner. Most of my products that I use are from Anastasia, MAC, or I barely remember. I even have some Jaclyn Cosmetics stuff too. I'm sad that she doesn't really have her business anymore because her products were so good. But yeah, and now I'm adding this really nice light pink color in the middle, which I'm really happy about this lip combo because it actually turned out really well. Really soft, nothing too crazy. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a lip gloss on top as well. And it just looks she looks so good. Oh my god, she's so cute. I really love this look. I hope you guys do too. See you in the next one.